So in this case, I'm going to show you how you can send a file from your smartphone, which is my Android smartphone, to my Windows operating system. So first of all, I'm going to start the Bluetooth on my Android phone. So on my Android phone, I will just click on the Bluetooth icon here, which is directly visible here. So just click on Bluetooth here, and then I'm going to just turn it on, which is going to turn this Bluetooth on. And then it's going to show the device name. In my case, the device name is Honor Pro. Okay. So now once the Bluetooth is on my Android phone, I will turn on the Bluetooth on my Windows operating system. So for that, you just need to click on the Start Window button here, and then click on Settings option, and then click on the Devices option here. Now under Bluetooth and other devices, you will be able to see this option, which is Bluetooth. So just turn it on. So you just need to turn it on. And once this Bluetooth option is turned on, you will see this icon here on your Windows 10 operating system, which is for Bluetooth devices. If it's not visible here, you can just click on this arrow and you will be able to see this Bluetooth icon here also. So now in order to add a Bluetooth device, what you need to do is just click on this button which says add Bluetooth or and other device, and then click on Bluetooth option here. It's going to search for your device, and after some time I can see this Honor 8 Pro, which is my Android device. So I'm going to just click on this Honor 8 Pro, and it's going to show connecting, and then it's going to show this option. So let me open my mobile screen also. So you will see on your mobile screen this password, which is 07624. In my case, you will see the same password here also. So you just need to click on connect on your Windows operating system, and then you need to click on pair on your Android operating system. So I'm going to just click on pair on my Android device and connect on your Windows operating system. Now you will see the Honor 8 is paired with my Windows 10 operating system, and you will also see your device here. Okay, so this is my desktop name, and I'm connected to my Android device. Okay, so this is my Android mobile name and this is my desktop name. So now once you are done, just click on done option, and now we are going to share the files. So first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to transfer the files from our Windows operating system to the Android device. So for that, you just need to click on the Bluetooth icon here, and then click on send a file here, and then click on the device which is connected. In my case, it's Honor 8 Pro mobile, and then click on next. And from here, you can just click on browse button to just go to the file which you want to send. So let's say I want to just send this sample.png file. So I'm going to just click on this file, click on open, and then click on next. And it's going to take some time. And then you will be able to see on your Android device this message which says Bluetooth share incoming file from your Windows operating system. So just click on accept here. And once you click on accept, the file will be received on your Android phone. So you can see a Bluetooth share receiving sample.png file. So it might take some time to just transfer this file from your Windows operating system to your Android device. And once it's done, I can see this message which is received file successful, and I can see that this sample.png file is received. So now let me show you how you can receive files from a Bluetooth device to your Windows operating system. So for that, you just need to click on your Bluetooth icon and then click on receive a file, and then it says waiting for a connection. So now I will go to my, let's say, folder explorer or file explorer. So let's say I want to send this file. So I'm going to just select the file which I want to send from my Android phone to my Windows operating system, and then I will go on more and then click on share option, and then I will choose the Bluetooth option here. So once I do that, you can see my desktop is paired, and once I do that, I can see the file is visible here. So I can choose where I want to save this file. So let's say I want to save this file to my pictures directory, and then click on finish. And once I do that, I can see this file is transferred from my Android phone to my Windows operating system. So this is how you can send or receive files from your Windows 10 operating system to a device which is connected to the Windows operating system via Bluetooth.